Welcome back to our channel. I wanted to give you an update since we've been back from Samoa. We're still missing home so much. And I noted down a few things I thought might be useful if you're planning a trip back and haven't been in a while. So here's what we learned from our trip. Number one, sunscreen and insect repellent. Take enough. We finished ours the day before leaving and we were there for 2 weeks. So, just a FYI. Rent a car. Makes getting around easy and keeps your family routine smooth. Bonus tip, automatic cars are a lifesaver if you haven't driven there in a while. And then I guess the last one, time flies. Get your errands done before lunchtime so that you got your afternoon with the family. But most importantly, make memories together. This video also shows our Auckland stopover, catching up with my sister and my family while heading back to Korea. We stayed up late picking them up from the airport and didn't waste a minute. Plus, there's Lior's mini birthday dinner. This boy is pure energy. Anyway, I hope you enjoy our little update. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye. Hey, 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 hey.
John, you're doing a video for my song.
All done.
Do you like my song? My song is super nice. Can we do one more song? Mom, do my song. Mom, that's it. We look at the camera before looking in the car. Yeah, the car.
We're just walking back to our rooms. We just finished dinner. Oh, we just walked past. This is your room, girls.
So I'm going to do a little tour for you guys in our room. So here we got the bathroom. It's really nice. Here we got the closet. A little fridge down here. Got our 2 beds. And one monkey on the bed. Oh, and we got a TV. It's really nice.
Yeah, it looks so.
And we got a yard outside. It's really dark though. Okay, so that's it. Just wanted to show you where we're
If you eat
staying.
that food, I would tell.
Okay, thank you.
It's a video, actually. Oh.
Yeah, I was getting ready.
And that's it.
That's it. Well, show me the camera.
And this little
Show.
room. We're on our way now to have breakfast. It is 5:40 in the morning.
Oh, it's our page.
What is this? Oh, it's broth. Oh, soup. Oh, sorry.
Mama, what are you going to have for breakfast?
I think that may make you sick.
You got here, it's bacon. There's some hash browns there as well.
Everyone take them.
Lior, come and tell me what you want. Come here. Juice? Yeah? Which one do you want? Orange juice or apple juice? That one. Okay.
Hi guys.
Hi.
You guys are sad already.
No.
Lior, don't touch.
I put this on.
Go from the top.
Like that?
Yeah. Gotta line it up like that. Okay, don't touch it now. Now let's move over here. Yeah. Tasha, can you put this back?
Let's go on a vacation. Hey, hey. I like it there.
Hey. Go, Lior. What is that? Do it.
Mom, you eat the cake? Mom, you eat the cake? You should have seen
Open it. Open it. Oh. Yay. What do you say? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lior. Happy birthday to you. Manuia loa sofana. Manuia loa sofana. Manuia loa sofana. Manuia lea tuam.
Hip hip.
Hooray! Hooray! Make a wish.
Bad.
Yay!